What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Kayla and welcome to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up right now and subscribe. I am on my flight to SF, that's San Francisco, and I am just super excited for this vacation work trip situation. Pull up. I am here in my homegirl's apartment. As soon as we woke up the next day, we both had to work. We had to get to it. But we're going to make it a working happy hour, okay? Pop the champagne, a little something, something. And we're just enjoying some work before we step out for the day to see the city. And the city is beautiful. This is one of the most beautiful cities that I've been in the U.S., and it's gorgeous. So we stepped out to see the city, and of course it's morning time, so we are going to grab a fabulous breakfast from one of my friend's favorite breakfast spots. I'm going to start the morning with some milk tea. Oat milk always. You know how I do. It was super delicious, and just the food at this restaurant in general was very, very delicious. It tastes very fresh, and it was pretty good. Those home fries were everything, literally. So now we're going to our friend's house to see them before we jump back in the car and head over to wine country. So this beautiful scenic view to wine country is going to be one of the most stunning things that you have seen. And I hope you are ready, because here we go.
Girl, try use me for a waste man. But girl, me I don't waste time. I done did everything from the waist down. Oh yeah, go ahead, tell me if I need to switch the pace now. Let me know if me and you are just vibing. We can move fast or slow, same timing. Pick peace, disagree on staying silent. Treat her like a diamond. Let me know if me and you are just vibing. We can move fast or slow, same timing. Pick peace, disagree on staying silent. Treat her like a diamond. Heavy your vibes and your energy. Said you can make me your better me. Loving you feels like a maze, I'm finding my way. Stuck in the things that you say, girl, you whipped my heart, now me lose control. Love when you snatch up my soul. Now you say you don't know. Who even know what? Let me know if me and you are just vibing. We can move fast or slow, same timing. Pick peace, disagree on staying silent. Treat her like a diamond. Let me know if me and you are just vibing. We can move fast or slow, same timing. Pick peace, disagree on staying silent. Treat her like a diamond. You got treasures deep inside. I got feelings I can't hide. You got treasures deep inside. I got feelings I can't hide. Go for a ride. Pull up and pull up outside. Pick up and shit and we go for a ride. Me and you, girl, and you know we just vibe. Pull up, I go for a vibe. Pull up, I go for a vibe. You know when I go past night. You know when I go past night. You know tired, no past night. Ooh. Let me know if me and you are just vibing. We can move fast or slow, same timing. Pick peace, disagree on staying silent. Treat her like a diamond. Let me know if me and you are just vibing. We can move fast or slow, same timing. Pick peace, disagree on staying silent. Treat her like a diamond.
Wine country is just so beautiful. The scenic views out here to get going are just gorgeous. So I love the view. I love the trip out to wine country. It just is so stunning. All of the mountains, the greenery, and apparently it's usually very gray because, you know, California has a drought, but it's been raining crazy and everything is so green and beautiful. And I just really love it. I just feel so blessed when I see such beautiful scenery and I see how beautiful God's earth is. I just can't help but feel super blessed. So to Napa we go. And I'm out here in wine country with my boo. We're in Sonoma right now, headed to a winery. And you guys, it's just really pretty out here. It looks like the scenery's so beautiful, it low-key looks fake. Like it looks like it's not even real. It's so gorgeous, and I'm excited because I've never been out to wine country anymore, but make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up for me. And we're gonna get into some wine tasting. I think it's gonna be fun. Let's go.
1,000 miles of Pinot. That's cute.
It's so cute.
The early morning fog gets blown out with some breezes coming off the Pacific at 75.
So last night at the wine bar.
You guys, so we had an amazing time at wine tasting at Walt. Big shout out to Walt. The wine was amazing. We actually bought a couple of bottles. Right now we are at RH. If you guys know me, then you already know I love RH. And we are at the Napa location. I've never been, so I'm super excited. After this, we're headed back to San Francisco, into the city. This has been just a great trip, spending time with my girl, getting to see a new city, because I've been to Cali many a times, but never been out to wine country. So I'll definitely be back. Make sure you guys are subscribed so you can see everything, and I'll check in with you guys and see you guys in a bit.
Your heart, I need your mind. We can be more too. It took so long, I realized. Happy home when it's you keep it loyal. Once you fed up, it's fuck them changes. Girl, you're too grown, you're losing patience. I need your love. Said I need your heart. I need your mind. We can be apart. I need your. It's a therapy. Not a therapy. Love can take away the pain. I need your love. Said I need your heart. I need your mind. We can be apart. I need your. It's a therapy. Not a therapy. Love can take away the pain.
You guys, so we're back in the room, about to have some champagne, but we're having a little nightcap. Hey, look at that. Looks so good. Look at that. That's how when you know it's champagne, because it continuously has the bubbles going through the center of the champagne the whole time you're drinking it. I learned that as my time as a sommelier in training. I didn't finish, but thinking that's a big ass fucking closet for a fucking hotel.
Closet is the size of the bedroom.
Cheers. All right. I love y'all. I love y'all long time. Good night. You know.
Well, we gotta come right back up this hill.
What? Is there no other way? No. This is so steep to walk back up here. Jesus. No, you didn't tell me that.
Around the
That hill was a killer. So pretty. Look at the cathedral. Good morning, everyone. I hope y'all are doing good. I'm at breakfast right now. In the hotel, Veronica had to run upstairs to take care of some work stuff. So I'm having breakfast by my lonesome, but just checking in, letting y'all know it's been a great trip so far. Yep, got the hat wrap on. Being my blackity black self amongst all these people lacking melanin. It's okay.
I know, but it feels. I know, but it feels. I don't die, 'cause I feel things have changed. I know if you just me, I big vibe, no replacement. I don't mind, but if you choose to stay, I know if you just me, I big vibe, no replacement. Me, I big vibe, no replacement. I don't know, I want to be. Ain't by to say and take what you say. We both caught up in you, stuck in our ways. Just to go with the motion, load in your ocean. We know be caution, you know be caution. Said you wanna vibe with me, ride with me. Push road back like I'm in them trees. Dance for me, girl, like there's nobody. Swam for your love, drown in them seas. Can't take it now when I'm in them sheets. I don't tie, 'cause I feel things have changed. I know if you just me, I big vibe, no replacement. I don't mind, but if you choose to stay, I know if you just I got a girl in Decatur Who hella tired of working? Said she just tired.
Hey guys, so we are headed to Lake Tahoe right now. We are eating Popeyes. I haven't had Popeyes in so long, but I'm about to actually kill this shit. I'm so fucking hungry. We are packed to the max. And that is what today consists of. So enjoy the scenic views on the way up to the mountains. I'm gonna eat chicken. Talk to you soon.
Captions, frame it. Body goes, you're so amazing.